Hey you guys, what's up? I'm going to show you how to do a little demo to zhuzh up your nail with glitter. So I'm going to use one of the iconic glitters that we have here at ENailCouture.com. This was actually one of the first glitters we ever launched. This is Halo. It's a beautiful hologram silver. And we're going to use our rubber base coats. I'm going to use A Pink number 2, which is a bright transparent sheer pink. And the almond brush. This design, when I did nails in the salon, you guys, I would do it all day, every day, because it's so fast, easy, and sparkly. So after you buff your nail, you finish it, we're going to go in with a little bit of nail clean, remove the dust, just like that, so that we have a nice clean surface. Let that dry a little bit, and then we're going to go in with a nice thin coat of any base, okay? I'm just using this one because I love a good bright pink nail bed. A nice thin coat, and this is going to act as our anchor. This is going to act as our glitter glue, okay? Because it is the fastest, easiest way to create a glitter ombre on top. So that way when your client comes back, or when you change your nails, when you do a fill, because this is a Russian dual form, so you can fill them, you just file it off, and then you're ready to go in with another color. But even just like that, it looks so pretty, right? Okay. So we're going to take Halo. We're going to take our almond brush, which is a fan brush, and we're going to sprinkle her on. And if you make a little boo-boo, it's okay. You can just tap, 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 dab, dab, dab. Wow, that's really pretty. Remove any excess on the side before we bake. Look how pretty that is. It doesn't even have any top coat or anything. Oh my gosh. If the camera can catch that. Oh my gosh. Obsessed. So let's go ahead and bake it for 1 minute and we'll be right back. Okay, so after 1 minute, we're going to take her out of the lamp. And then I'm going to take my manicure brush. Remove any excess glitter. And it's smooth. See, look at that. I turn it from the side. The glitter is laid and slayed. Perfect. And then we're going to seal with our favorite top coat. You can use whatever you want. I'm just going to use good old shiny gel today. So let's apply a thin coat of shiny and cure for 1 minute. And there we go. 1 minute. We wait 10 seconds. Let it finish the polymerization process. Hit it with a little bit of cotton candy cuticle oil. And look at that, my love. Stunning. And that shape, fire. So what are you waiting for, my love? Visit ENailCouture.com and check out all of our glitters and all of their presentations. This little nail hack. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And we'll see you guys in the next one.